for hot pepper on this particular land. Now for me here, I planted as seeds from the circuit and they died off. That is for hot pepper. Now the first garden you saw, the seeds we planted there, we had extracted them from our pepper fruits and they too died off. So we didn't use the same seeds. Here we used the circuit and that side we used seeds extracted from fruits. Now since they both died off, we discovered the problem is not what the type of seeds we used, but the problem is the soil. This particular soil refused to allow hot pepper growth. So hot pepper cannot grow successfully on this particular piece of land. So we had to get another piece of land where we grew pepper. We discovered this land cannot accommodate hot pepper. So Mr. Amobi planted here a small portion of hot pepper on this same piece of land just for his experiment purposes. He wants to try all the things. So he's testing different chemicals and different medications to see if they can work on this pepper here. Maybe the next time you come back here, you will ask me, you will find out the results of my experiment. So I planted this small portion. There is some medications I want to try and see.